Not yet. Not yet.
You feel them landing on you?
Patience, patience. Here we go. Not yet.
Ooh.
Not yet. Oh God.
You got one.
No.
You got one on
No, no, no.
Oh no.
You gotta go for it. Not yet, not yet. Okay, do it now.
No.
Yes!
Alright, be very careful. Be very careful.
Nice
Be
job.
very careful. Should we just let him go? Hey, where's the rubber? Where's the rubber?
We got one.
Let me get my. Oh my God.
She actually good. She flipped the towel over it.
Yeah, that was perfect. No, hey, that was great.
Good job.
Great patience.
Oh my God.
You gotta run.
Alright,
Listen,
move on this end.
That was a rush.
She did.
Girl.
listen, like, I'm just gonna try to get him coming out.
Notice the patient moving around. Alright, we're gonna let it go. Ready? You ready, Tiffany? Just gonna flip.
Yeah.
Wait, you should like fling him out like that.
Yeah.
Deep
No, that hurts
freeze.
him. That hurts him. Alright,
Ready?
just gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Fly away.
Psychological damage. He has no idea. He just won y'all $1 million.